In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Samsung Notes into Notion, specifically focusing on incorporating handwritten notes in just 5 minutes. This process is simpler than you might think and allows you to seamlessly integrate your detailed Samsung Notes into your Notion workspace for better organization and accessibility. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Samsung Note that you want to work with. It's important to ensure that the note is fully complete and exactly as you want it before moving on. Once you're satisfied, you're going to proceed with sharing this note. The key here is to share the note in a PDF file format. Samsung Notes offers a convenient option to export your handwritten notes as a PDF, which is ideal for maintaining the integrity and format of your original document. After you've selected the PDF format, go ahead and export the file. Now, exporting will generate a PDF, and you'll need to decide where to store it. There's flexibility here based on your personal preference or whatever is most convenient for you. You can save the PDF directly to your device for easy access, or perhaps take advantage of a cloud service. Using cloud storage can be a great option if you often switch between devices or if you want to access the file from different locations. With your PDF file saved, the next step is to open Notion. If you're new to Notion or haven't yet installed it, you'll need to make sure you have an account and the application ready to go. It's a robust tool that's incredibly helpful for organizing all sorts of information, from notes to tasks and projects. Once you're in Notion, navigate to or create the page where you want your handwritten notes to appear. This is the space where your notes will live, and it's completely customizable depending on how you like to organize your information. Now comes the fun part, actually bringing that PDF into Notion. Here's where Notion's commands make things effortless. In your Notion page, you'll want to type the / command, which is simply PDF. This command lets you insert a PDF directly into your Notion page, bringing up the option to upload a file. Select the PDF that you've just exported from Samsung Notes. This action embeds the PDF right into your Notion page, allowing you to view and interact with your handwritten notes within the Notion environment. And there you have it. Your Samsung Notes are now a part of your Notion workspace. You can view them, share them with teammates, or even add additional context around them. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you stay more organized and efficient. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments. Happy note-taking!